Hello. So this is the slide number two. The topic of slide number two is the study strategy, techniques, and tips. In slide number two, we are going to discuss identify, generate, and define ideas, how to study effectively, techniques for studying, how to take a break, different types of learner, tips on how to study better. This is called the time management. I'm going to divide slide number 2 into 2.1 and 2.2. So in 2.1, I will discuss at the first three ones, and in 2.2, I will discuss from 5 to 6. The point number one is that the identify, generate, and define ideas. Ideas are the key to innovations. Without them, there is not much to execute. And because execution is the key to learning, new ideas are necessary for making any kind of improvement. So for innovations, if you want to innovate in your development, study, jobs, anywhere, you must have a good idea. If you don't have an idea, so you don't be execute, and without executions learning will be too difficult to get, so there must be an idea anytime. So I am want to discuss a famous quote here. The Barbara quote by Barbara is that creative thinkings inspire ideas, ideas inspire change. So if you have a creative thinkings, so then you can easily get a good idea, and that idea can change in your development, in your construction, in your business, in your study, in your job. How to generate an idea challenge, brainstorm card, involve the right people, always to involve in the right people. Mastering effective study habit not only make it easier to learn but will also help you to get better grades. Effective study start with the right attitude. The two words are more important in the right attitude, like positive attitude. If you have positive attitude towards your study, so it can be more effective. Studying method should be tailored to each student. Everyone has a different ability, so it is important to determine what works for you and what doesn't. So this is most important part, or you can say that the conclusion of that slide, that every student has a different ability, and every student, not a student, everyone has a different ability, and then you have to understand, you have to judge that ability, that how can you work, how can you get an idea, how can it easy for you to do a better, to a effective, or to a efficient uh, uh, results, to get a efficient result, to perform more effectively and efficiently. Techniques for studying is to get organized, pay attention in class, make sure notes are complete, talk to your tutors, design a study area, study in short bursts, study with a group. So these are most important techniques. Always be get organized to get a effective result.